one piranha is there inside our boat.
Hey people, what's up? This is me, Zishan Azmi, and that's my wife Nida.
Hi.
We are really excited because we are heading towards one of the very important place, in fact, for this world, the Amazon rainforest, the mighty Amazon. And it has been my dream, our dream, because we have studied in school a lot about Amazon. I have followed that on National Geographic, on Discovery Channel, and now it's a chance to go to the Amazon. So really excited. Next 2 days will be really hectic. We'll be spending 2 days, 2 nights in the Amazon. We have our flight in the morning at 6:35, 4 hours flight from Sao Paulo to Manaus, and from Manaus we'll be heading towards the Amazon rainforest. Manaus is a small city in the state of Amazonas. So we'll take you through the entire journey. We will explain you and we will take you through. Really excited. See you in the Amazon.
All right, we are now landing at Manaus.
Can I take you?
That's my wife,
Hi.
Nida. Okay, Conrado. And your name is?
Paulo.
Paulo. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Alrighty, so we reached Manaus, and from Manaus we got onto the boat. You cannot hear me. We are on Amazon River right now, and heading towards the Amazon rainforest, to the center of the Amazon.
Velocity, the temperature, and the density. This is the Solimões, the Rio Negro, which come all the way from Colombia, Peru, okay, and then going all the way to the Atlantic Ocean. So this water, it goes side by side for like 18 kilometers without mixing.
18 kilometers, it does not mix. That
No.
remains brown, this remains black.
Yes, and then from there it becomes brown, which goes like 1,600 kilometers all the way to the Atlantic Ocean. This can vary from 4 to 8 kilometers, depends on the season. When the water is rising, it's like 8 kilometers per hour. And the water is going down like 4 kilometers per hour. And also because of the settlements, okay? This is more settlements, that is less settlements, okay? So that's why they don't mix, because of the velocity, the temperature, and the
The
density.
boat ride just got over, and we will be now getting onto the van and heading towards our lodge in the Amazon. Okay, just got to know the boat ride isn't over yet, so we'll be going to the other side of the land and then getting onto another boat for some more time. Mesmerizing to see the Amazon basin, Amazon river, the largest and the second longest. Amazing. So after covering a long distance, after Manaus, getting onto the boat, then in a van, then again on a boat, beautiful scenic area in the center, pretty much deep into the Amazon. There's this beautiful guest house where we will be staying. We have just reached and pretty much tired. It's afternoon, and let's just take some rest and see what we have in stock for adventure. Alrighty, so we have got our room, a cute little room. And it's on the side, it's on the river bank. And let me give you a small tour of the room. That's on the river bank, a floating guest house. And these are 2 beds. And that's the washroom there. That's a small, tiny, comfortable room. and a beautiful view outside. That's the river. See that? So we are heading towards Piranha fishing. You guys want to say hello?
Hello.
You can introduce yourself.
What?
You're from Russia. Your name?
From Russia. My name is Kirill. I'm from Germany. My name is Tom.
Tom. Hey Tom. Hey Kiran. Hello. Hey. All right. So we're going to do some piranha fishing. Still feels surreal. We are amidst the Amazon rainforest. I still cannot believe, but trying to experience this beauty. Undoubtedly, this is vast, massive. All right, we will do some piranha fishing and a competition.
But we don't have any.
Who catches first?
Yeah, but no bait here in this.
Yeah, kaun hai do? We need to put something.
Who got the first fish get the caipirinha.
Ah, but
Last fish pays the caipirinha.
absolutely. But how do we catch it? There is no
Bait.
nothing, no bait there.
Have to wait.
Ah, we have some chicken pieces.
Makes it harder.
We got some chicken pieces, leftover chicken pieces, and that's being put there. And let's see who catches the first fish, first piranha. Piranhas undoubtedly are dangerous in this Amazon rainforest, and specifically this river. You know, they can be any sort of animal. There are piranha fish. There are, electric eels which can pass on around 850 volts of current. That is certainly deadly. There are alligators. They can be anaconda. That's we all know the most dangerous and fascinating creature on earth. And amongst the 4 type of anacondas, in fact, we have the largest green anaconda in this Amazon rainforest. Just mesmerizing. See, one piranha is there inside our boat, and one is there. He has caught.
Come on.
That's one.
Pick up that trick in the water.
Calma, filha. Ela vai morrer. Ela vai morrer, ela vai morrer.
Nida got this first one. How you feel?
Calma, filha.
Why are you crying? Arey, there's a second one. Hey, you did that. First one. Hey, bomb. Say bomb. Yeah, clapping.
I don't want to catch more.
Oh, there's the other one. My God.
Calma.
My God, amazing job you did.
Do not forget to do something to Oh, catch it fast. To the boat. Give it to me. Up. Place is your present.
Wait. I should hold it from the bottom. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. It's jumping here and there. My God. It's dead jumping.
Careful with your hands, my friend.
It's the. Yarzi, don't touch it, yeah.
Oh, yaar, so ajeeb sa yaar. You hold it. I will not hold it. Crazy. All right, so we are heading back towards our guest house, and we did some piranha catching. And let's see how many piranhas are there. How many did we catch?
15.
15.
And he caught most of it. Gustavo.
Master.
Olha.
And let's
Você, a maioria.
Gustavo, the champion. Yeah, Gustavo.
But not only Gustavo.
Nida caught the biggest one. But why don't you show your hand? My God, what piranhas did to your hands? They bit you.
Just a little.
But you are a brave man, I must say that. How did you hunt those? How did you kill them? So it's 8 p.m. and we are going out to see or catch some caiman. That's the alligator.
We are amidst the Amazon. It's night. It's extreme dark. You can hear some sounds as well. But it's adventurous. It's scary. But let's see how it goes. We show excitement, nervousness as well. Alright, that's a guide in the front. He's throwing the light. He's throwing the light. And through this light, we will get to know if there is an alligator anywhere. It's scary. Dense forest. A river stream in the middle. We can hear different sounds. What is it? Oh, pesky on. Oh my god. Can I turn the flashlight on?
Yeah.
My god, he has caught an alligator. Look at this. Look at this. This is big.
Video or audio?
That's crazy. That's small. But I hope he's not getting hurt because I'm holding it tight. No? Okay.
Okay. Right here they have 5 fingers.
Oi, nenenzinho. Fúria, filho.
E aqui, ó, pra
É menino.
Scales.
essa idade a gente já pode beneficiar, porque
Okay,
é
that
pequeno.
is okay.
Menina.
Menina?
So,
This is 1 year old, you said.
1 year plus. So here, look, see they like the massage.
Okay.
Olha como é que eles gostam de massagem. Aqui, Lulu.
Ah, mas Malu, mas ela tá desesperada. Maluzinha, passa a mão. Ó.
Não, essa passa a mão. Passa a mão. Here you eat.
What?
This here you eat.
We eat.
Yes.
Oh, humans eat that.
The money is that.
Oh my god.
Okay?
Bye
You
bye.
were throwing it?
Malu, ela vai embora.
Going back to the water, going back to mommy.
Princesa tá indo embora.
Eu vou soltar ela.
Ó, olha aqui, filha, ela vai embora.
Ciao, ciao. Bon
Bye
night.
bye.
Take care.
Tchau, vai embora pra sua mãe. Vai, ela tá desesperada.
Bye. Wait, he's still. Oh, he was happy with us, I think. He's not running, so he was happy with us.
Ai, que bonitinho. Ué, ela tá paralisadinha?
Não, ela tá gostando da festa aqui.
Bye bye.